Okay, so EIDL or just disaster loan. But those are in place again. There's more money that has been put towards disaster loans. So you can continue applying for those, and those are the same things. Now, to remember, a disaster loan is something you have to pay back. It's actually a loan. PPP is something that you can apply to have forgiven, which means they'll actually give you the money for free. So it works as a loan. They're 30-year terms. There are 3.75% interest rates on them, unless you're a private nonprofit, which is a lower rate. So they work like a mortgage, and you can take that money. You can still get the EIDL advance, which is $10,000. So if you apply, you'll automatically get a $10,000 grant, which is free money. But then if you want more, you have to apply for it as if it's a loan. And that's where, if you do get that loan, it'll be a 30-year loan at the 3.75%, which, a lot of people I talk to are like, well, geez, this is great. I mean, when can you borrow money at 3.75%? Unless you're doing a mortgage, but small businesses can't go out and get that rate. So if you've been impacted, that's also a route you can go to receive money.
Especially amortized over 30 years. I mean, that's not a bad payment plan.
It's not a bad payment plan. And look, at some point, it's really about, do you have the cash flow or not? If you've been hurt really hard, it's a no-brainer. You take it. If you've got enough cash on hand, though, you might want to think like, do I really want a loan? Do I really want to pay interest? So it just depends on what your situation is. I'd have to say, in my experience, that the overwhelming majority of clients that I work with that went and got PPP, only roughly 20% of them also went and got the disaster loan. So it really is, because the PPP is free money, or can be free, which is a big difference in having a loan. So how badly you're hurt really determines whether or not you want to get the disaster loan or not. Some people are afraid to have a loan. That's just the simple fact of it.